5 stars. Pressure washing has the expertise and service options needed to take on your project from start to finish. Our pressure washing company can use high-quality equipment to blast away dirt, grime, mildew and more from your property. Here's what some of our customers had to say. Kelly Chapman says, "My house looks fabulous. Antonio got all the mold and dirt off. I'm highly impressed. I will be calling him for all my future needs. His price versus my time and energy was worth every penny." Talal Zraik says, "Antonio did a great meticulous job. He pressure washed my house, driveway, walkway, and porch. All look clean and impressive now. He was also very responsive and easy to communicate with. Highly recommended." When we provide professional pressure washing services, we'll pay attention to every detail. Reach out to us today for more information on our work.